Optimum cable box error codes are diagnostic signals that help identify specific issues with your cable television service. These numerical codes appear on your screen when something goes wrong, providing valuable information about the nature of the problem. Error codes are organized into four main categories based on the type of problem they indicate. Each category uses a specific number range to help technicians quickly identify the issue type. Here are some of the most common error codes you might encounter. Error 001 indicates no signal is being detected, usually pointing to a cable connection problem. Error 101 means the channel is not authorized for your subscription level. Error 201 indicates hardware failure, particularly with DVR hard drives that store your recorded programs. Error 301 represents network communication problems between your cable box and Optimum servers. Research shows that error codes stem from three main root causes. Infrastructure issues account for 40% of all error codes, including problems with aging cable networks, weather-related damage, and network congestion during peak viewing hours. Equipment-related problems cause 35% of error codes. These include hardware aging, overheating issues in poorly ventilated areas, and firmware bugs that affect cable box performance. Account and service issues represent 25% of error codes. These typically involve billing problems that affect service authorization, package changes that haven't been properly updated, or security flags on customer accounts. Understanding error codes provides several important benefits. First, it enables faster problem resolution by helping you identify issues immediately without waiting for technical support. Second, when you do need to contact support, knowing the specific error code allows you to provide technicians with precise information, leading to more effective assistance and shorter call times. Finally, understanding error codes empowers you to perform self-service fixes for common problems. Many error codes can be resolved with simple steps like power cycling your equipment or checking cable connections, saving you time and avoiding service calls. Error codes are diagnostic tools designed to help both customers and technicians quickly identify and resolve cable service issues. By understanding what these codes mean, you become better equipped to maintain reliable television service in your home. When your Optimum cable box displays an error code, don't panic. Most issues can be resolved with simple troubleshooting steps that you can perform yourself at home. Step 1 is always to power cycle your cable box. This simple restart resolves about 60% of all error codes by clearing temporary glitches and refreshing the system connection. Step 2 involves checking all cable connections. Loose or damaged cables are responsible for many signal-related error codes. Make sure every connection is tight and secure. Step 3 is to test your signal strength using the cable box's built-in diagnostic tools. Most Optimum boxes have a signal test feature in the settings menu that can identify weak or poor quality signals. Step 4 is to verify your account status online. Many error codes are caused by billing issues, service suspensions, or equipment authorization problems that can be quickly identified through your online account. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, it's time to contact Optimum support. This is especially important for hardware-related errors in the 200 series or when multiple error codes appear simultaneously. Prevention is always better than troubleshooting. You can avoid many error codes by following simple maintenance practices that keep your equipment running smoothly. Optimum is modernizing their customer support with artificial intelligence chatbots, video calling support, and streaming solutions that eliminate many traditional cable box problems entirely. Remember the 4-step troubleshooting process: power cycle, check connections, test signal strength, and verify your account. When in doubt, contact support for assistance. With proper maintenance and modern support tools, most cable box issues can be resolved quickly and efficiently.